Hello guys, I'm Shekhar and you're watching TechInc. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share your phone screen that is as simple as it is effective. All you have to do is share a link with the contact of your choice and they can see on their device what you are doing on your device. So let's not waste any further time and let's get straight into the video. So firstly we'll do the installation process and then get straight into the working and review for the same. The minimum requirement for this to run on your device is that your device must be running Android 5 or upper versions of Android. The installation is quite simple and through a APK file. You just need to download and install it. I will leave the link for the same in the description down below. And just install it. Now wait until it gets installed on your device. And now click on open. Allow all the permissions. The best thing of this application is that it doesn't need any sign-ups or login. The application interface looks pretty simple. You have just one option of share the screen. Just need to click on it and start now. Now you just need to share the link with your friend, with the one whom do you want to share the screen with. For example, I am sharing this link to my own mobile. Now once I have received the link, I just need to open that link. Enter your name and join the meeting. You also have an option for a built-in camera. You also have an option for built-in microphone and also speaker. You can record screen while talking. So this is one of the positive signs for this application. Now I can share whatever I do on this screen with the one whom you have shared it. And now you can start presenting your mobile screen while talking. Now whatever I do on my phone, it will be easily be seen by the opponent with whom you have shared the screen with. You can watch videos, browse websites, read documents or shop together. This application is a kind of Anydesk for your mobile phone. So that's a pretty good and helpful application which helps you in increasing your productivity when you are doing assignments and other all such study stuffs with your friends. So this was all for the today's video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos because I keep making videos like this. So for all of that and more, I will see you on the next video.